I want you to pay attention to where this trade is taken, not the entry itself. This level you're seeing here is an institutional ladder level. It's a predefined area where large participants are historically active. Notice what I didn't do. I didn't chase price. I didn't trade in the middle of the range. I didn't take random signals. I waited for price to come into a level that actually matters. This is the difference between trading noise and trading structure. When you trade from the right location, execution becomes simple, risk becomes defined, and outcomes become consistent. This is why higher time frame levels matter. This is why we don't trade everything we see. And this is why patience pays. The system doesn't need more trades. It needs better locations. Trade the level, let the market do the rest. And if you're struggling with consistency, it's not because you need more trades, more indicators, more strategies. It's because you're trading where nothing is happening. Now, I really want you to pay attention to where I entered. We broke above the institutional ladder, which is the green zone. Then we dumped below with large orders. A new 4-hour candle formed. That was at 6 p.m. Eastern. And then we get our squigglies up and down over the blue dynamic zone, not the blue box, but the one that's actually moving with price. And then we dump below it and we have more large order confirmation printing on our screen. Well, we trade level to level here, right? Or scalp from levels, right? If you don't want to hold it all the way to the next level, we're scalping from the levels. So that was all the confirmation I needed to get into the trade. And then I just managed it. I took profit where I needed it. And I was looking at the orders flowing into the market. Will this drop all the way down? I don't know, but this was just a scalp. My take profits were just ideas of where I thought price would go. And then as price is moving around, I'm taking profits. I'm moving my take profits into where I think, oh, this is going to work, or I think it might reverse here, so I need to get some off the table. It's all based on what you think. There is no super duper predefined what should you do. Right? So you just, as time goes on, you start to build, some intuition on like, this is kind of getting too choppy for me. So I'm going to start taking a little bit off the board, or I think it's going all the way. I'm just going to go break even, let it run, or I'm not even going to touch my stop. Those are personal choices, right? The system is just giving you an area where the chance of you winning the trade is way higher than you getting into the entry anywhere else. That's it. So this is just to go along with the email that I had sent out to everybody and said, hey, this works, and you're just doing what the new guys that trade want to do. A lot of people are like, they just want constant action. They refuse to wait. They trade every signal. They ignore higher time frames. Like, if that's you, then there is no coaching you. There is no helping you. There is nothing that's going to work for you. The market doesn't pay in patience, right? So if you're trading outside of structure, you're trading in between levels instead of off the levels, you're forcing trades, you're trying to make money today instead of waiting for when it's time, it's just not going to work for you. So anyways, if you need a demo, just go to the website, click on demo and schedule a Zoom demo. It's free. You get 30 minutes and I'll help you and I'll show you how the system works. And I will explain to you like why this trade, I got into this trade right here at night, right? And look at it. It's a beautiful trade. Anyways, I hope you're well. And if you need anything, come into our Discord, ask, schedule a demo, whatever you want to do.